back to Mrs. Suave. My name is Nika, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to lighten hyperpigmented spots on your face. Okay. One of the things that I normally tend to deal with, or one of the things that I have been dealing with, is hyperpigmentation in my skin, as well as like hair that tends to grow under my chin. In my family, we all have chin hair. That's literally just a family curse. We all have chin hair, every single one of us. And I thought I was safe. I thought I was in the clear because when I turned 18, I didn't start growing chin hair until I had like just one little hair. And I would always try to pluck it. At first it just started off with my fingers. I'm trying to pluck it. And then, you know, I moved on from the fingers to like my tweezers, because it was like a hair that I could never get. And then when I did get it, new hair just grew out of nowhere. It's like hair just grew every second. If I pluck one, another one grows. I pluck one, another one grows. Well, at least that's what it felt like. I've been doing my research, trying to figure out different ways that I can, different things, different techniques that I can do to get rid of the pigmentation under my skin. So I stumbled across the turmeric and lemon method, where turmeric is supposed to reduce the thickness from the hair that grows under your chin. It causes the hair that grows under your chin to grow thinner.
Turmeric slows down hair growth in the follicles, causing the hair to grow thinner.
And the thinner that it grows, it eventually just stops growing. And then the dark spots that's under from the ingrown hair, it'll also lighten up as well. So you would have to mix turmeric,
Lemon juice
in a little container, mix it, then apply it to the skin, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then you wash it off. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm super excited, guys. Yes. Yeah, a majority of this is just like ingrown hair from plucking.
I will start off by using 1 spoon of turmeric powder. You can purchase turmeric from your local grocery store or your local farmer's market. The next step is to apply lemon juice. Make sure to remove all seeds. Make sure you don't add too much lemon juice. We're looking for a paste-like consistency that will remain on the skin.
Alright, and we're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. Okay, let me go get my phone so I can time it. One moment. Y'all can't see this, but it's 29:54, so 29 minutes and 54 seconds. Let this thing do its thing, and then we're gonna come back. So okay, y'all, so it's been a full 30 minutes. And you don't really feel, I gotta put my hair back because I'm about to wash this off my face. I look so funny right now. I look like I got a gold mustache. Really burn like how I thought it would burn, especially since it's lemon and most of these wounds, these scars, are not completely healed. So it didn't burn, and I really like that. And you know, with the lemon. So let me just wash this off real quick. Let me get a wash rag. Be back. I'm only zooming in so you guys can see like what's going on with my skin. The turmeric is still there, so I'm gonna try to wash it off again so I can like really scrub this turmeric off. I don't want to have a curry chin, you know. And I'm just washing everything with Dove, simple Dove soap. Dove, the white soap, the regular, original, the first one. Yeah, I gotta get. Okay, so there's not a lot of turmeric powder, it just stains. I feel like I came back from swimming. Drowning. Alright. Okay, so this is the chin. I don't know why I said it like that, but this is my chin after applying turmeric and lemon to it. Okay, it's recommended that you apply the turmeric and lime method, or you do this method twice every 2 weeks. You know, this is only Sunday, so I'm probably gonna do this again on Thursday, just so that I can be within my 2 week goal time frame, whatever. So we're just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna come back at y'all with some results, let you guys know like what's changing, what's going on. And I'm like super excited because this is something that I have been struggling with, and I'm just happy that I could finally have a normal chin. Yeah, well, I hope this was helpful. I hope I was able to help out somebody, you know. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.